Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about days and months. This will help you understand more about the calendar. Listen and learn with me. Let's start with the days of the week. Monday is the first day of the work week. It comes after Sunday. Many people start their work on Monday. Tuesday is the second day of the week. It is after Monday. People often have meetings on Tuesday. Wednesday is the middle of the week. It is also called hump day. We have made it halfway. Thursday is the day before Friday. Many people look forward to Thursday because Friday comes next. Friday is the last work day for many people. After Friday, the weekend begins. This makes people very happy. Saturday is a weekend day. This is a day for rest or fun. Many people spend time with family. Sunday is also a weekend day and rest day. People often relax on Sunday before the work week starts again. Now, let's learn about the months of the year. January is the first month of the year. It is a cold month in many places. February is the second month of the year. It is the shortest month with 28 or 29 days. March is the third month of the year. Spring begins in March. April is the fourth month of the year. April is known for rain. May is the fifth month of the year. Flowers bloom in May. June is the sixth month of the year. Summer starts in June. July is the seventh month of the year. It is hot in many places. August is the eighth month of the year. Children often prepare to go back to school in August. September is the ninth month of the year. It is a time for new beginnings. October is the 10th month of the year. Many people celebrate Halloween in October. November is the 11th month of the year. It is also a time for giving thanks. December is the 12th month of the year. It is holiday time and very festive. Let's learn some extra time words for calendar learning. A week has 7 days. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. We rest on the weekend. A weekday is any day from Monday to Friday. A season is a part of the year. There are 4 seasons. Spring is warm and flowers grow. Summer is hot and sunny. We enjoy the sun. Autumn is when leaves fall from trees. The colors are beautiful. Winter is cold and snowy. We can have fun in the snow. Great job. Now you know about days and months. Keep practicing what you learned. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.